Which of the following is bactericidal antibiotic? So bactericidal antibiotics are those antibiotics which destroy bacteria by targeting the cell wall or cell membrane of the bacteria, or termed as bactericidal. Bactericidal completely destroy the bacteria, and out of these, ofloxacin is bactericidal antibiotic, and hence correct answer is A. Identify A and B in the given reaction. Now we have ethane nitrile CH3 C triple bond N molecule is ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile on hydrolysis will be converted to amide first, and after complete hydrolysis they will be converted to acid. Now acid on decarboxylation with, with soda lime will be converted to one carbon less containing alkane. So methane is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is A, ethanoic acid and methane. Drained sewage water has BOD. Now if BOD is between 4 to 5, then it is clear water. It can be used for drinking water, drinking purpose. If BOD is between 5 to 10, then this water is slightly polluted. And if BOD is above 16, then this water is taken as polluted water. So drained sewage water is polluted, and hence it will have higher BOD than normal water. So drained sewage water has BOD more than water, and hence correct answer is A. The reaction condition leading to the best yield of ethyl chloride. Now in first case, when ethane is taken in excess in presence of chlorine and sunlight, now in this case ethyl chloride will form in sufficient amount, and hence correct answer is A. In second option, when ethane is treated with excess of chlorine in dark, then no reaction takes place. So in third case, when ethane and chlorine are taken in equimolar mixture, then ethyl chloride is formed. Along with ethyl chloride, it will also give dihalide, tetrahalide, all possible products are formed. So when 1 is to 1 ethane and chlorine is taken, then best yield of ethyl chloride is not possible. When chlorine is taken in excess, then it will be completely chlorinated and it will converted to C2Cl6, and hence correct answer is A. In the following reaction, when acetyl chloride is treated with H2PD in presence of BSO4 poison catalyst, then acid chloride will reduce to aldehyde. So acetaldehyde is formed as a product. Now this is named reaction, and this reaction is called Rosen-Mund reaction, which is preferentially used to convert acid chloride to aldehyde. The most stable radical among the following. Now in first case NO2 is present, which have very strong minus I effect. In second case Cl is present, which is having comparatively weak minus I. Cn is also having stronger minus I, while CH3 is electron donating. Now free radicals are electron deficient, and stability of free radical depend on number of electron donating group and inversely proportional to electron withdrawing group. So plus I effect or donating effect will increase stability of carbocation, while electron withdrawing minus I effect will destabilize carbocation. Now NO2, Cl and Cn, they both will destabilize carbocation, while CH3 will stabilize carbocation. So D would be more stable, then B, then C, and A will be least stable because A is most electron withdrawing. Out of A, B, C, B is most stable because Cl is less withdrawing. So most stable radical among the given are D. In this reaction we have to convert this molecule into this. So in first case, if hydroboration oxidation is done in first step, then after hydroboration oxidation it will be converted to alcohol and overall addition takes place opposite to Markovnikov rule. So this is the product form, and when this is reacted with PCC, pyridinium chlorochromide, chromyl chloride in CH2Cl2, now this alcohol would be oxidized till aldehyde. So this is the product form, and hence aldehyde is formed in this case, and hence option A is correct. While if we take other option like base 3 THF, then alcohol is formed, and this alcohol will not react with HiO4, so till primary alcohol is formed. When it is treated with H2SO4, H2O2, H2SO4, then first it will be converted to alkene, and then alkene on reacting with OSO4 will be converted to syndiol, and syndiol will oxidize to syn carbonyl compound, so this will also not produce. In third case, it is treated with peracid, so epoxide will be formed, and this epoxide will finally convert it to antidiol, and that antidiol on oxidation with K2Cr27 will not produce this, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find total number of chain isomer possible for C7H16. Now if 4 carbon atoms are present, so C4H10 have only 2 total isomer. If we have C5H12, then 3 isomer are possible. If 6 carbon atoms are present, for C6H14 we have 5 isomer. For C7H16 we have total 9 isomer. For 18 C8H18 we have 18 isomer. For C9H20 we have 35 isomer, and for C10H22 total 75 structural isomeric products are possible. So for C7H16 total isomer possibles are now 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6 and 7 carbon, now 6, now at third carbon CH3 is present, 6 carbon main chain, then 5 carbon containing main chain and 2 side chains are present at second and third. Now side chains are present at 2 and 4. Other isomers in which side chains are present at second carbon, side chains are present 2 side chain and third carbon. So 4 plus 3 7. Now we can draw a structure in which 4 carbon atoms are present in main chain and 2 side chains are present in same carbon, one at this carbon, and we can draw another structure in which 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain and third carbon is having one ethyl group. So total 9 structures are possible, and hence correct answer is 9. How many alcohols from the following set of yield geometric isomer on dehydration? So we have propane 2-ol, or this molecule is propane 2-ol. On dehydration it will form this molecule. Now this molecule will not show geometrical isomerism. Next molecule is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. So now this molecule is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. On reacting with H2SO4, now this will be converted into this compound, and this molecule will again not show geometrical isomerism. Now we have pentane 2-ol, so 5 carbon in main chain. Now this molecule is pentane 2-ol. On dehydration it will form 2-pentene, and 2-pentene molecule will show GI. Next we have ethanol. Ethanol is CH3 CH2OH, and on heating with H2SO4 it will form ethene, and ethene will not show geometrical isomerism. Next we have propane 1-ol. Now this molecule is propane 1-ol. On H2SO4 reacting with H2SO4 it will give propene, which will again not show geometrical isomerism. Then we have 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Now we have 2-methyl and propane 2-ol. Now this molecule on treating with H2SO4 give isobutene, which will not show geometrical isomerism. Then we have butane 1-ol. Now this molecule is butane 1-ol. On reacting with H2SO4 it will give 1-butene, and 1-butene will again not show geometrical isomerism. Then we have butane 2-ol. Now this molecule is butane 2-ol. On heating with H2SO4 it will give butene. Now this butene will show geometrical isomerism. So we have first this, and this is second compound which will show geometrical isomerism on dehydration. Then we have hexane 3-ol. Now hexane 3-ol having total 6 carbon in main chain, and third carbon is having OH group. So on heating with H2SO4 now it will give 2-hexene as a final product, and 2-hexene will also show geometrical isomerism. So total we have 3 molecules which show geometrical isomerism on dehydration. How many of the following reagent react with arene diazonium salt to form aryl halide? Now we have arene diazonium ion. Now nitrogen gas is eliminated and it will be converted to phenyl carbocation. So now if this phenyl carbocation is treated with HBF4, it will be converted to fluorobenzene. So we get aryl halide. So in option 1 we get aryl halide. Now if it is treated with CuBr in presence of HBr, so CuBr in presence of HBr give bromobenzene. So again we will get benzene aryl halide. Now when this molecule is treated with Cu and HCl, so in presence of Cu and HCl we get chlorobenzene. So again in this case we get aryl halide. When this molecule is treated with Ki, now on reacting with Ki it will be converted to iodobenzene. So in presence of HBF4, CuBr, Cu and HCl and Ki, we will get aryl halide, and hence correct answer is 4.